Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about favorites from the drugstore that I discovered in 2024. I decided this year just to do one video with favorites from the drugstore and one from high-end. So let's just start in no particular order with these eyeliners. These are from Makeup Revolution. It is the Streamline eyeliner from Makeup Revolution. I have the black, the green and the orange, and they are so nice. I of course use the black one the most. They are staying in the waterline really well, or as an eyeliner, a wing liner or something like that. It is very easy to create that with this product, and it is from the drugstore. It is very inexpensive and really good. Another product that I really love, and I didn't expect to love it this much, it is this Essence Baby Got Glow Liquid Highlighter. The blush in this packaging is not my favorite. It's not that pigmented, but the highlighter is incredible. I think they have a bronzer as well. I didn't test it. I could only assume it is similar to the blush, but this highlighter, it's incredible, really. It is a puffy applicator. I just removed the puff from here because I used my finger to apply it on the cheek, similar to the Shellie Tilbury highlighter in a puff. But this shade is so beautiful. It is the shade Rose and Shine, and it looks great. It wears great. It is very affordable. The packaging works nicely. Let's talk about some lip products. I bought at the beginning of the year this one. It is not the most long-lasting lip pencil. It is from E.L.F. It is the Cream Glide Lip Liner. But it is so flattering on the lips. It's creamy, so it is easy to apply, but it's not smeary. As you can see, it is so tiny because I'm using it a lot. It's just a great lip liner from the drugstore. Next, I have two lip glosses to recommend. Again, from Essence. This one surprised me. In general, Essence is really hit or miss. They have great products at really nice prices, or absolutely awful products that, even though they are affordable, they are just a miss. But I love testing Essence. It's one of my favorites from the drugstore, and I love that they still have affordable products. So this one is amazing. It is the What the Fake Plumping Lip Filler with cinnamon oil. This one is hurting a bit on the lips, but it's not. I'm used to that feeling. It's not painful, in my opinion. This looks so nice, and it is, I don't want to call it a dupe, but it is very similar on the lips to the Natasha Denona My Dream Lip Gloss, that one that I absolutely love. This one with the E.L.F. lip liner, it looks like I have filler on my lips, and it's great. It looks plumped, but still natural, shiny, and really beautiful. And another gloss that I really like, and it is plumping as well. This is a bit more painful, but I really like this color, and I really like the product. It has some shimmers in it, which is usually not my favorite, but this one looks so natural, and the shimmers are so small, so it looks stunning. This is the shade Hot Honey from Maybelline. It is the Lifter Plump gloss. Absolutely love it, and I need to learn that sometimes I'm loving a formula, but at the same time I'm loving a color, because this color in particular is really gorgeous. If I would buy a pink in this formula, maybe it will not be my absolute favorite product, but this is lovely. Then I have a lipstick. This, in my opinion, is a dupe of the MAC Luster Glass. This is the Super Lustrous, even the name, it's just, they wanted to dupe the MAC ones. This is the shade Smoky Rose, so beautiful. This one is a bit more, I don't want to say shimmery, but it has just a bit more satiny aspect of it compared to the MAC ones. This is a sheer kind of brownish shade, but because it is sheer, it looks so natural, and it is decently similar to the color I'm wearing today, but this is another one from MAC. It is the stick lip gloss, the lip gloss in the stick from MAC, but it is a color similar to this. I absolutely love this one, and again, you don't need to splurge because you have this one at the drugstore. Let's talk about some eyeshadows. I recently purchased this one, and I'm mentioning it here not because it is my absolute favorite eyeshadow formula, because for sure it is not, but it is from the drugstore and it is better than the price. This one is the Essence Soft Touch Duo eyeshadow. So this, like I said, is not my absolute favorite formula of matte eyeshadows or shimmery eyeshadows, but it is nice. And this is very, very affordable, and you can get a beautiful look with this one. So why not recommend it? It's not maybe Natasha Denona, but the price is not even close to Natasha Denona. So I think it is a really nice product. I do like the packaging and everything. This is the duo in Bronze Beauty. They have a blue and they have a purple as well. I think those are the three options, but this neutrally one, it's just really, really beautiful, and you can easily create a look with this duo and a mascara, and I've been loving this one. It is the Essence Lash Without Limits in brown. A lot of favorites from Essence, but like I said, it is a great brand, and I'm tasting a lot of most of the products that they are releasing because I really like the brand overall, and they have some great hits. I've been loving a brown mascara. This one is a bit lengthening, a bit volumizing, so a bit of everything, and this brown shade is absolutely perfect. It's not too light, but it is not too dark, so it will appear black. You could clearly see that it is brown, and it's lovely. Can't recommend this product enough. And lastly, we have this one that is another amazing product. This is the Color Tattoo 24-hour eye stick from Maybelline. This shade is a shimmery one because they have mattes as well. I didn't taste those, but I don't really like mattes in a stick format. I rather have something like this for matte shadows. This is the shade 20. I am inspired. The most beautiful pink shimmer out there, and it is so easy to apply. I can draw it on my lid and even in my crease. Take a brush, any kind of brush, a flat one, a bit more of a fluffy brush, and just blend it out a bit. It will look great. And this one with a brown mascara, again, looks so flattering and so nice, and I can create a look with only these and I'm good to go, and it's very, very stunning. So this was everything. Not that many products, but these are my favorites from the drugstore that I discovered this year, and they are great, and I will repurchase them in the future, and I really do enjoy them. So if you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I'll see you next time.